Assalamu alaikum. Today I name you from parts of speech. You come forward and introduce yourself.
Hello, I am noun. I am a living word like pen, book. Hello, I am a pronoun. I am a root instead of a noun like fish. Hello, I am adjective. I am a describing a like big, small, good. Hello, I am verb. I am an action word like read, write, make. Hello, I am conjunction. I join words all phrases like but for.
Hello, I am interjection. I express a strong feeling and emotions like hooray.
I am a preposition. I show relationship between words like in on. Hello, I am an adverb. I describe a verb, adjective or like slowly.
So they all perform very well. Clapping for them.